Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and let's draw a cute ice cream cones. Follow along and let's draw together. It's time for us to color. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.